Hello friends, this is Momita and you are watching Moki Life with Smile. So as usual, I came up with two new English words which I have learned and I want to share with you so that we can learn together. So before that, I want to say a very good afternoon to all of you. I hope you all are fit and fine, me also good too. So whatever, like as a English learner, whatever I am learning I am sharing with you. So today I have learned two new English words, and these words are very informative and very useful. If you are English learner, you can use them in your day-to-day conversation. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first one is Endeavour. Endeavour, Endeavor. Endeavour. Endeavour, the spelling is Endeavor, Endeavour, and its English meaning is try hard to do or achieve something. Try hard to do or achieve something. And whoever here Bengali learner or whoever here Bengali speaker, I am converting this meaning in Bengali so that you can understand very easily. Its Bengali meaning is simply prochesta. So now it's time to make an example with this Endeavour so that you can better understand. So I can make a simple example like a political endeavor. A political endeavor, it means its Bengali meaning is Rajnoitik Prochesta. Its Bengali meaning is Rajnoitik Prochesta. And if I make another example like an endeavor rights, অধিকার প্রতিষ্ঠার প্রচেষ্টা, its Bengali meaning is অধিকার প্রতিষ্ঠার প্রচেষ্টা, and endeavor rights. So I tried my best to make you understand. The first one is Endeavour, Endeavor, Endeavour. You can see on the screen as well. And the second one which I have learned, that is Adorn, Adorn. The spelling is Adorn, Adorn. So it means like to make more beautiful or attractive. Its Adorn English meaning is to make more beautiful or attractive. So its Bengali meaning is উজ্জ্বল, অলঙ্কিত করা বা সাজানো. Its Bengali meaning is অলঙ্কিত করা বা সাজানো. So if I make an example with this Adorn, Adorn, then I can make like I adorn myself with jewellery. I adorn myself with jewellery. আমি নিজেকে অলংকার দ্বারা সজ্জিত করেছি বা সাজিয়েছি. আমি নিজেকে অলংকারে সজ্জিত করেছি. So if I make another example with this Adorn, then I can make like I adorn my house with beautiful flowers. I adorn my house with beautiful flowers. আমি আমার বাড়িটিকে অনেক সুন্দর ফুল দিয়ে সাজিয়েছি. আমি আমার বাড়িটিকে সুন্দর ফুল দিয়ে সাজিয়েছি. He adorned himself with colorful dress. He adorned himself with colorful dress. সে নিজেকে কালারফুল ড্রেস দিয়ে বা জামা দিয়ে সাজিয়েছে. সে নিজেকে কালারফুল জামা দিয়ে সাজিয়েছে. So I tried my best to make you understand. The first one is Endeavour and the second one is Adorn. Both are very easy and simple word you can use in your day-to-day conversation. So this was for today's video, and the first one I already said Endeavour and the second one is Adorn. So this is for today's video. See you in the next video. If you liked my video, then please do subscribe if you are watching from YouTube, and don't forget to press the bell icon, and please like, comment and share. And if you are watching from Facebook, then please follow me, and don't forget to like, comment and share, because I am sharing informative things. So if you want, you can learn from my videos, because whatever I am sharing, I am before sharing them I am learning, and then I am sharing. And so this was for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.